Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wig install on one of my clients. This was her first time getting the wig, and I was really excited because I really like doing installs on people who haven't had like a wig before, because like I like to get the reaction and stuff like that. So yeah, this was the first wigs. This wig I provided, and I did the color on the wig. I didn't really record me doing the color and stuff because it was kind of like a long process, but they were like 2-step highlights, so it kind of took me longer than expected. But yeah, so her install, the wig is 30 inches, HD lace. If you are interested in purchasing a wig from me, my what's it called? My website is linked in the bio, and my Instagram is linked in the bio for like my hair page and stuff, so you can check that out. But that's really about it. So let's get straight into the video. I also wanted to mention, this isn't really like a tutorial or anything like that. This is just kind of like a watch me work video. And like, if you guys want a tutorial, I can give y'all one. But like parts of this video like are clipped out. And there was the most important part. One of the most important parts when I was like, you know, bringing out her edges and like melting the lace. Literally, I did not record it because I hit my camera. You're gonna see when my camera like just goes off to the side. And it goes off to the side. You can't even see what I'm doing. But if you guys like want like a detailed video of how I install my wigs, you can. Because like some of my wigs be like a trust the process. Like sometimes they don't be. You just gotta let me do what I do. Like you know. So like you actually gotta watch the whole video on to see like the finished product, if that makes sense. But yeah, if you guys want like a detailed tutorial, I can always give y'all that. But yeah, that's it.
Like, that's
period. This color's really cute on you.
Thank you.
No problem.
I was nervous, girl. I was like, I don't know, but I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just do it.
Yeah, is it for an occasion or are you just doing it to do it?
No, it's my birthday weekend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Happy early birthday.
Thank you. Yes. Beautiful.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
No problem.
This was a finished product, came out so cute. Lace was melted, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.